YouTube. In this video, I am going to discuss about the impact of generative AI in technical education. So, who am I? My name is Hamna Jatt. So, let's get into it. The first thing that I would like to describe is what is generative AI in the field of technical education. Generative AI in technical education refers to the integration of AI technologies, particularly generative models, into the educational curriculum to enhance learning experiences and outcomes. Generative AI involves algorithms and models that can generate new content such as text, images, music, or even videos based on patterns learned from existing data. In today's talk, we are going to overview the impact of generative AI in technical education. The impact of generative AI in technical education is profound as we have enhanced learning experiences. Generative AI allows educators to create dynamic and interactive learning materials that engage students more efficiently. Second one, we have hands-on exploration. Generative AI provides students with opportunities for hands-on exploration and experimentation. They can use generative models to create and manipulate data, generate novel solutions to problems, and explore creative applications of AI techniques in technical domains. We have innovative projects. Generative AI empowers students to undertake innovative projects and research endeavors. We have personalized learning. Generative AI enables personalized learning experiences tailored to the individual needs and preferences of students. In technical education, generative AI can be applied in various ways. We have content creation. Generative AI models can be used to create synthetic data for training purposes in technical fields such as computer science, engineering, and data science. We have problem solving. Generative AI techniques can be employed to simulate problem solving scenarios in technical subjects. We have research and development. In technical fields, generative AI plays a crucial role in research and development activities. Educators can leverage generative models to explore new concepts, simulate experiments, and generate hypotheses in areas such as machine learning, robotics, and natural language processing. Future directions. We have automated feedback and assessment. AI-powered systems can provide instant feedback on student assignments and projects. Content creation and curriculum development. Generative AI can assist educators in creating course materials and developing curriculum content. We have adaptive learning platforms. Generative AI can power adaptive learning platforms that adjust the difficulty and pace of instruction based on individual student performance. Natural language understanding and tutoring. Advanced natural language processing models can enable AI-powered tutoring systems that engage students in interactive dialogue and provide real-time assistance with homework problems and concept explanations. We have ethical and responsible AI education. Generative AI can be used to develop educational modules and case studies that explore the ethical implications of AI technology and promote responsible AI development and usage. Integration with emerging technologies. Generative AI can be integrated with emerging technologies such as blockchain, Internet of Things, IoT, and edge computing to create innovative educational applications and experiences. In conclusion, the future of generative AI in technical education holds tremendous promise for transforming the learning experience, fostering creativity and critical thinking, and preparing students for the challenges of the digital age. However, it is essential to approach its implementation thoughtfully, considering ethical implications and ensuring that AI driven solutions complement rather than replace human expertise and interaction in the educational process. Thanks a lot for listening me. Take care. Bye bye.